Good morning, Royals. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because I'm going to be growing some sunflower seeds in ground in a little space I have. This is going to be my first time doing this, so yeah, I wanted to bring you guys along for the process and see what happens. You see this little guy right here? He's just outside with me getting some sun. You soaking up the sun? Say yes. Yes. He likes to be on camera. So yeah, let me show you guys the little space that I am going to be planting, and come on. Okay, so just to give y'all kind of a better look at the space that I'm working with, this is the area just right along this fence. We do, sorry if the wind is super loud, we do have a lot of rocks underneath the soil, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to dig all those rocks up. So this is a better view of kind of what we got going on. You can see that we have a few rocks under there. So we're gonna go ahead and use our handy dandy shovel. We're gonna put down some ground soil. I want to plant at least like 6 of them. I'm hoping that that'll be enough to fill up this little area. Maybe we can get more, I'm not sure, but I think 6 will be cute. We're gonna go ahead and get to working on that and see how it goes. All right. Say bye-bye because you're gonna go take a nap. Say bye-bye. All right, let's go take a nap. Okay, so I pretty much got the rocks clear from this area. I think looks pretty good for what I'm trying to do. Here's the little space, so we're gonna go from here all the way to this little box. These were starting to go into the neighbor's yard, so we're just gonna pull these back so that we can have a little bit of, you know, control over where our plants are trying to go. Gonna go ahead and cut down some of this grass with my handy dandy pruners and get some of this cut down just so that it'll be, you know, nice and smooth for my soil. Okay, so I would say this is gonna be about, let's see how many feet this is gonna be. Starting from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's about 7 feet of soil, and that's kind of what we're working with. So they'll come about to here, and that'll just be rocks. So from here over, I'll just pour the rest of the rocks through here. All right. Okay, so we've got the soil down. We've flattened it out nice and smooth. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and water in the soil so that it's nice and moist, and then we can put our sunflower seeds in so they won't just completely sink down to the bottom. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm not doing this in any particular order. I'm just getting my little sunflower seeds and dispersing them along here. So yeah, let's just go ahead and stick some seeds in the ground. Let's stick our first little seed in. And you can just stick them straight in. Stick them about 1 inch deep. And try a few different varieties. Maybe I should make some holes first. I think I'll do that. So I've dispersed 2 different varieties of sunflowers throughout this 7-foot area, and I think I spaced them about 1, 2, maybe 3 inches apart. I know that might not be the correct spacing, but we're just going to go with it and see what happens with these sunflowers. Yeah, so sunflowers like a lot of sun, and during the day this area gets full sun, so these will do perfect in this little area. That is about it for planting our sunflowers. I'm so excited to see how they start to bloom. Excuse me. I think it's gonna be super pretty. I'm excited. I'm just gonna go ahead and rake some of these leaves away from the little soil area. And if you wanna see more on what's going on with this little bed of sunflowers, make sure you subscribe because I'll be doing updates on how they're doing. We'll just learn together. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, Royals.